If you go to timetofreeamerica.com, timetofreeamerica.com, I will be sending you a list of vetted farm-to-table grocery stores, doctors that love Jesus, and homeschooling programs. And do not eat Cinnamix. Do not eat. If you're out there and you're tempted, you think, I kind of want to be a cannibal. Don't. Then don't eat Cinnamix.
All right, Clay, thanks again. Kill it out there.
All right, so for those of you out there who've heard of Seminix before, this may be something familiar. But for others of you who have not heard of Seminix, or maybe like me, you just forgot about Seminix, perhaps this was a bit of a shock. Now, as I said in the video, I don't personally eat processed foods. I don't drink Pepsi or Coke or eat Fritos or Pringles or anything like that. So I am pretty certain that I stay away from anything made from Seminix in my life. But there are a lot of people out there who simply eat out of convenience. Now, Seminix itself is not the additive. They are the company that creates the additives that go into your foods. Now, because they appear in your foods in such small amounts, they don't have to specifically be noted on the label. Sometimes on the label it will actually say something regarding Seminix in the ingredients, but more often than not, it's simply going to say that it's artificial flavoring. So what does Seminix do? What it does is through these chemical food additives, it increases and enhances the natural flavors that are already in the foods. So it creates more of a sweet flavor, more of a salty flavor, without having to actually add more salt or more sugar. So what exactly is Seminix? How do they create this? Well, it is produced using a line of fetal kidney cells. It's called HEK293. It's often used in pharmaceutical research, and now it's also used in food and flavor additive research as well. So what products use things from Seminix? There are quite a few, and this hopefully is going to make you want to rethink the things you eat and the things that you serve your children. If we just take a look at brands: PepsiCo, Starbucks, Frito-Lay, Quaker, Gatorade, Lipton, Nestle, Wonka, Kraft, Cadbury, Campbell, Coca-Cola, Soleil, Tropicana, Pfizer and Merck also use Seminix additives. Then we also have a number of different types of candies, some California Pizza Kitchen. The list goes on and on. So this is, again, brands that are using it. So if we take a look at beverages, water, Propel Water, Aquafina, Dasani, Pure Life, Perrier, San Pellegrino, a number of different sodas, coffees, energy drinks. Certainly not Bangs, though. I checked into that one first. Tropicana products, V8 products, Simply Orange products. Not so Simply Orange if they have fetal kidney cell lines inside of them. Even your pet food: Alpo, Baker's, Cat Chow, Chef Michael's Dog Chow, Fancy Feast. They are also feeding human kidney fetal cells to your dogs and your cats. This is a shocking thing to know if you have never heard this before, and I urge you to look into anything that you might be feeding yourself, your family, or your children. So again, they use these fetal kidney cell lines to find the best possible flavors to put into your foods, and then they use their artificial ingredients derived from these human kidney fetal cells to put into your foods. Now, if we just take a look at the value of a human embryo, a human fetus, essentially a human baby that has not come to full term, for 38 fetal brains, they can make $22,610. For 5 fetal livers, they can get $2,975. For 3 fetal upper and lower limbs, so that's baby arms and legs, they can get $2,670. For 12 baby pancreases, they can get $7,140. For 12 baby hearts, they can get $7,140. That is not a bad market for these people, and it kind of makes you realize why it is they are so hell-bent on killing these babies before they reach full term. Because there is a valuable market for baby parts, not only in the pharmaceutical industry, but also in the food industry as well. Now, I have spoken at length about boycotting these companies that are producing products that are going to make us sick because they have harmful ingredients in them. The fact that they have fetal ingredients in them, the fact that they have baby parts in them is an even better reason to stop purchasing from these companies, because it's not only food, it's not only pharmaceuticals, vaccines such as the MMR vaccine, the hepatitis vaccine, the shingles and rabies vaccine, but also we know at least one of the COVID-19 jabs also are using fetal lines, but also cosmetics as well. Here is a list of face creams that include actual fetal parts: Biogel, Previdem, Journey Bio Serum, Lumiere, and Bio Restorative Skin Cream. Now, these are